Hello guys and welcome to BitsBytes. Today we discuss about how to read the data from the file. In my previous video, we are discussing about how to write the data in the file. So let's start. So first of all, I create a one file, name is one.txt. Here one for that, any file you want. Hello. This I have written in my file. So how to read these two lines in my file? So let's start. First of all, you should include one processor, one preprocessor, that is studio.h with header file, and then include std.live standard library also included. I am working in C, so provide main. I am working in main. I created one file pointer. I initialize later and one character array. I am creating one character array who holds the line. 4 holds the line. What's my file name? If you remember, what's my file name? One.dat. So let's start writing one.dat. Type that my file name, which operation want to implement on this file, reading operations. So for R is used if fp equal to 1. There is a special variable or special enumerator enum defined in C language or any language you are working, Python, Java or any null. That means which that pointer refer nothing. The address, that pointer holds the address, nothing address is hold. Just printf I exit safely. I come out from my if the file pointer not holds my file memory address, then it print the file could not open and exit. My program is closed successfully. Fscanf function I am written do IN standard input, sorry, not standard input, you can use standard input, but now I am reading from the file, so fp I am reading. Then what I am reading, %s and the my character array name. The syntax is like your scanf function. Scanf %s percent str. You write like this simply, but the source is different. By default, in scanf function, source is console. Sol by default. So that's why the file pointer does not allocate over here, but fscanf helps to file scanf. Now nothing, just print just 100 words. It's printing like this. Okay, I use print. Hello is printed only. Hello is printed. Why? Because I use scanf. fscanf. So if the space coming, if I'm changing my data, then hello, then only hello, how are you will be printed. Hello, how are you printed. If that same data, if I'm written like this, hello, how you, or if I'm write similar data in my file, then only one data printed. Similar problem comes when we are working on strings. Then same problem arise. How to take value more than that with the byte spaces. So one function is used. Another function is also have fgets. I change in my original file with comment. I comment this session for the coding point of view. When you are view my GitHub repository where the whole coding, all programs are saved, so you are capable to know what I am doing and what I am doing. So now I use fgets. Now first I use the string buffer, my buffer, then how much storage unit is 100, where destination कहाँ से पढ़ना है, where I should read the data, not equal to null. So I want to print this, printf %s. If I want to print this, just basically, if you would not have any brace, after the while loop, no semicolon, then the extremely next statement under work in the loop. Hello, how are you will be printed. cat dot tag like. If the message is that, if the file contain message that two lines, I want to print both lines. Please don't think the video is over because I am writing these two lines. So what is the differ from fgetc and fscanf? I am clearly mentioned you, clearly show you practically the difference between fscanf and fgetc. So I little bit the in the return type of fscanf is int. If you like to see the so that return type is how much data is read from the file. I show you just because the curiosity, and you should know the return type of the file. Each and every function return type, the full signature of the function you should know. See this one, only one is printed. Why one? Because it's returning, it shows I am successfully read the data. Okay. So this is all of that. Four functions we can use in different variations of the function signatures. So first I show you how to read the data using scanf, how to read the data using fgetc. The return type of fgetc is character pointer. If you want to print the character pointer, then you can print the character pointer also. Because this returns the character pointers. If I write like this, and if the character pointer not equal to null, sorry guys, today little bit working on it. Printf return. What is the return type of printf? See this. Null, 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 null. It's an infinite loop. Why infinite loop? Because one condition. Why it's an infinite loop? It's not written any character basically. How many characters you are printing on the screen is the return type of the printf function. How much character you reading. If I show you, if I have a string like hello, that string size is 5. Okay, but without loop you want to know what you want to print the length of the string, then I can use this. I have no restriction. See this, I print two things. Two things. First str, then we print. Then I print. Okay. fgets is out, then this not equal to null. If I write like this, hello, then you see the output is 5. See this, hello 05, hello 5, then my message. So this is all about fgetc and fscanf. Now we going to the fgetc. What is the fgetc? This is a read the character by character and end of the file. Its return type is integer. It's working with loop. I told you it's working with loop. Like if I want to print same data like this, character by character, or if I am any encoding, if you know about ciphertext and many things, then we should encode each and every data. We should apply each and every character of the file. Then we need this, the end of the file, read the data and end of the file. Okay, while FEOF P not equal to 0, EOFP get file end of file. बेसिकली फाइल से तो डिनोट किया गया उसे, और एंड ऑफ फाइल EOF. ओके, नाउ आई एम रीड ईच एंड एवरी डेटा character by character. So I need one character only, character, not. So I containing one character. I read this, C is equal to, oh, its return type, I told you its return type is int. So if I am stored in character, then it's fine. Explicitly, automatically it's converted into character. fgetc is a function name whose parameter is file pointer, and just I print percentage C and C. Now how see this? If you feel any puzzle, any issue in this video, in the comment section you ask me any query, or you tell me how can I improve myself. Hello 05 only this is printed. Why? Because So yeah, I forgot to tell you, if the f end of file equal to 0, not equal to 0, that means the file pointer reaches file ending, otherwise it's not reaching in file ending. You do not see any difference in fgets and fread. So I told you, I show you, I show you how they differ. See this. See, please P, first character I read P, then space, because slash T is used, and use slash T to show the different output. Slash T I am using. First character is read P, then slash T, then slash T a tab, then L, then another tab, then E, then tab A, then tab S, then E, then wide space plus tab. O is mixed over here, then D. One by one character I am reading. If you want to anything, perform any operation, then you can perform, or you want to know the sky value of file. If you want to work in the sky value, then you also can print the sky value. There's nothing you can do, just change the data type, because automatically it's convert for you in the decimal or in integer, but now it's not convert you. So you see the sky value of P is 10, the sky value of P is 80, L is 108, PLE is 101, and so on. And -1 is the question mark. Blank is a blank line I am left, so that question -1 is over. I am talking about 4 functions. I am discussing 3 functions with you. fscanf having a one problem, it's not capable to read white spaces. fgets is capable to read white spaces, commas, everything, but it's read array of characters at a time. fgetc read the data from the file character by character. Each and every character is read singly, one by one. Now we are talking about the another function, fread. So again, fread data type is return type is integer, and the function parameter is a void pointer. How much character you studied, from where to where, 1 to 10. If you want to read 1 to 10, then you first read the 1 to 10 and the file pointer. Okay, so let's start converting our program into fread file to .c. So this is the another function, another Okay, I am indexing you. 1 second. That's a third one, and this fourth one. Yeah. Return type, I am writing the fread void pointer str. That means your character array name and the size t, मतलब size देना है यहाँ पे, size t num कितने तक, and your file. That's the signature of the fread function. So now we are reading the file. Again I am using feof fp. So first of all I am checking the null value. If the file is not opening, then that condition is running. If the file is opening, then I am going to the while loop, because file does not contain the 0, because while equal to 0, not less than 0. So fread fread st my character array name, then starting from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10 fp. That's my file pointer name. Printf percentage s and str. Then you see what's the difference between. Forgot to write thing. No, something is wrong. Oh. Now it's perfect. Sorry. I'm not editing my videos because I want to show each and every accurate problems with you. Sometimes syntax error that shows over here I'm using print instead of printf, so I'm basically, so this is all about today's video. It's perfectly fine, perfectly running. How it's running, how it's differ from other, I'll show you using the tab. Again I'm using tab. See this, please don't then tab /t. Why? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These all characters done and contains a 10. If you want to increase or decrease the buffer size, if you want to perform any operation within the buffer, within the anything, then you use this fread. You can use this. So now I'm changing and simply I write this show Thank you very much. Then very much. Why I write why? Why? Why again write two times? Just because 10 10. The space is not completed. If a line, a space contains something, then 1 to 10. If I am increasing this size, my array size is 100, then I think then 100 characters I can study at a single. See this, 100 character I am studied at a single moment or a single time. In one loop I am studied 100 characters at a time. So this is all about the how to read the data from the file. So thank you guys, and if you if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the upcoming videos. And any error, or I forgot one thing, I forgot file 2.c, I forgot the close. If I am not closing my file pointer fp.close, then my RAM still thinking, my hardware is still thinking some program is still streaming, a buffer is created and the file is opening at all times. So please also write the fp.close or file pointer.close, because fp.close is the another area. fclose.fp, always write this line when you are working on the file handling, because it's compulsory to write, otherwise your RAM is your wastage of RAM. So please think for hardware also. You are not a software developer, you are a hardware as well as software developer. Your software work on the hardwares. So keep watching my videos and thanks for support. Like, subscribe and share my videos, and please comment section में ज़रूर बताइए कि मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी. Thank you.